Okay, present by Daniela Colorado, present to Ingrid Tatiana Gomez, Sunday, November 27, 2022. Ways to recycle plastic. Mechanical recycling. In consists of cutting the plastic paste into small grains to later take time. Mechanical recycling process begin with the following stage: trituration, washed, granulate. Once this process is finished, the pallets are melted and the plastic is given a new shape according to the method used in the fur on suite. Soldering in the cold mold in the form of fall of pies, introducing inside original molds to pressure. Chemical recycling. Plastic materials are degraded by hair or by catalysis to the point that the microwave are broke and only simple molecules, commonly called phenomena, remain. From these monomers, other types of plastic could be obtained. Of the two ways of recycling plastic, this is the less used, although it is the most promising science by obtaining basic monomers plastic of the same quality as original can be made again. Coca-Cola. Dealer's inventory. An inventory of the sugar in distributors is made by some in the city and they are notified on the day of the plastic collection. Coordination via by Volcane, the day and time for the collection of this care plastic is great. Transportation. The company provides transportation from the initial point of to the final point and from the final point to the final disposition point. Bonus for dealers as a way of economic incentivizing and for favor of helping the environment. According to the manager guideline, why process to determine what gift or extra bonus is give to a to team for the collection. Coca-Cola butter paper butter. Coca-Cola working on a sustainable packing is that therefore what will be the first paper bottle. It is a new concept and can revolutionize the type of packing used by soft drink companies. The first prototype has a thin coating of 10% recycling plastic. Thanks.